Let's learn how do we divide the number 372 by 6 using the long division method. As 3 is less than 6, that is why let's consider the number 37. We know that 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Subtract this 36 from 37, we get 1. Now again this 1 is less than 6. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 2 here. And we know that 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Subtract, we get 0. Now as we have no number to bring down here and we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore 372 divided by 6 is equal to this number 62. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.